Hi, welcome to Ono India channel. Please subscribe channel now. Bengaluru-Mysuru highway toll hiked again after 3 months. According to NHAI toll hike details accessed by Ono India channel, the revised rates came into effect at 12 am on July 21. Just over 3 months after revising toll charges on April 1, 2026, the National Highways Authority of India, NHAI, has once again increased the user fee at the Kanimanike and Sheshagirihalli toll plazas on the Bengaluru-Mysuru access-controlled highway, New Hampshire 275. According to NHAI toll hike details accessed by Ono India channel, the revised rates came into effect at 12 am on July 21. The revised charges will be applicable at the Kanimanike Toll Plaza near Kanimanike Village in Bengaluru Urban District and the Sheshagirihalli Toll Plaza near Sheshagirihalli Village in Bengaluru South for vehicles using the 6-lane Bengaluru-Nidaghatta section of New Hampshire 275. With the latest revision, the toll for cars, jeeps, vans, and light motor vehicles (LMVs) has been increased from 180 rupees to 185 rupees for a single journey. The return fare, valid within 24 hours, has been raised to 275 rupees, while the monthly pass for 50 single journeys has been revised from 5,940 rupees to 6,100 rupees. The local monthly pass for eligible residents living within 20 kilometers of the toll plaza will remain unchanged at 360 rupees. Toll charges have also been revised for other categories of vehicles. Light commercial vehicles, minibuses and light goods vehicles will now pay 295 rupees for a single journey, while trucks and buses, 2-axle, will be charged 620 rupees. The toll for 3-axle commercial vehicles has been fixed at 675 rupees, heavy construction machinery and multi-axle vehicles, 4 to 6 axles, at 970 rupees, and oversized vehicles with 7 or more axles at 1180 rupees for a single trip. NHAI officials said the revised rates have been notified in accordance with the Toll Gazette notification number SO 402E, dated January 25, 2023, and the approval of the competent authority through a letter dated July 18, 2026. The revised toll rates are applicable for the 2026-27 financial year for the Bengaluru-Nidaghatta section, which is being operated under the hybrid annuity model (HAM), the official added. The fresh hike comes barely 3 months after the annual toll revision was implemented on April 1, 2026, when toll charges for cars were increased from 175 rupees to 180 rupees per toll plaza. Santosh Babu, a regular commuter from Kengari who frequently uses this stretch, said the toll charges have increased repeatedly over the years, which he believes is unfair. For those of us who use this highway frequently, the increase adds a significant burden to our monthly expenses. The authorities should consider the financial impact on regular travelers and ensure that any hike is accompanied by better infrastructure, proper maintenance and improved commuter facilities, he said.